In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Gmail account on PC. Start by opening a web browser on your computer like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type gmail.com and press enter. When the Gmail page loads, look for the Create Account option. Click it and then choose For My Personal Use. This makes sure you are creating a standard Gmail account for everyday email and Google services. Next, you will be guided through a few pages to set up your basic account information. Enter your name as you want it to appear on your account. Then click Next to continue. On the following screen, enter your birthday and select your gender. Take your time and make sure the information is accurate, since it can be used for account verification and personalization. Click Next after each section to move forward. Now you will choose your new Gmail address. Google may show a few suggested addresses based on the name you entered. You can select one of those suggestions, or you can type your own custom address if you prefer something specific. If the address you want is not available, try adding a period, a middle initial, or a small number to make it unique. Once you have chosen an address you like, click Next. After that, you will create your password. Use something strong that you can remember, but others cannot guess. A good tip is to combine uppercase and lowercase letters with numbers and symbols. Enter the password, confirm it in the second box, and then click Next. Next, Google may ask for a phone number or a recovery email. This helps you recover your account if you ever forget your password or if Google needs to confirm it is really you. If you see a skip option and you prefer not to add recovery information right now, you can select Skip. Then click Next to review and confirm your account details. Finally, you will see the Privacy and Terms page. Scroll all the way to the bottom so you can proceed, and then click I agree. Your Gmail account is now created, and you will be taken into your new inbox. That covers everything you need to know.